Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporify Learn. Today I'm here with the video of most requested. Now that is tomorrow you guys have that is maths exam, right? Now I'll say if you have not started the preparation yet, how to do. Okay, now let's see what are the happenings or how you can study maths without further wasting time. Okay, first see what you have to do is, if you have not start the preparation yet, I'll say now here. Okay, first which module you need to study is, first complete M5. Okay, module 5. I'll say what are the topics to study. Next you can study M2, next you study M1, next is M3, then is M4. Okay, in this order you need to study. Okay, what are the topics that I'll be explaining here. Okay, now see, one in module 1 what you need first, I'll say. Okay, 5 only I'll say. Okay, see what you need to study is one way ANOVA, two way ANOVA and Latin square design. If you study these three topics, more than 18 plus marks you can get out of 20. That means only 2 marks will be left out. That also, if you study all three perfectly, means 20 on 20 will be confirm. Okay, so one module is done. Now what you need to do, module 2. This also it is the easiest of all. See, first if you study this joint probability distribution table problem, one table they'll give, that is having a b and all probability of that and all. You have to find marginal value and expectation covariance, that and all you need to find, right? That problem you need to study, and you can study these three definitions. That will need nearly one. See, if you study this all questions, it may need 130 minutes. Okay, I'll say for module 5 also like that only. See, if you keep all these three modules and you can cover that in 2 hours. Okay, if you study perfectly you can cover that in 2 hours. You need, now you should not take time to rest and all. Now you guys have to prepare more, because you guys have not started. Many of them have messaged that we have not started yet, please make a video for that, how to start and all. So that is why I'm making this video for you guys. Okay, now if you study this for 2 hours, now what you need to do, this may take 30 minutes, this may take 110 minutes, this 10 minutes, because it one problem, right? These topics may take another 30 minutes and this may take another 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now if you take 1 hour, and maximum this also you may complete in 2 hours is enough. Now 4 hours is done. Now if you start at afternoon 12 or 12:30 also, you can cover within 4 o'clock these two modules also. You should not waste time in between, that's all. Next, if you come to this, you can see these derivations. You have to study this perfectly, so that they may give for 7 to 8 marks. Okay, so you'll be completed with 7 to 8 marks. That means you are done with half of the first module. And problems on this binomial and Poisson also I have done in my videos. All the modules, what and all topics I have mentioned here is been done in the modules. Okay, in this I have done it particularly as module 1 and module 2 and like that. Okay, in this 7 to 8 marks will be done, and problem related to this also will come, so you can study that also. See, this finding the value, k value, is very simple, I'll say here only, right? Okay, see, they have given some value as, this is value sum as x, this is p of x. Okay, some k 0 1 2, and this is value as 2k, and this is 1 2 3, like that. You will just equate the value that is given as probability is equal to 1, and you will just find the value of k, and they'll give p of x is less than 5, means less than 3 you take. Okay, less than 3 means 2 1 and 2k you will add, and you will do like that, and all you have to do. That is very simple. Okay, you will be done with first module also. Okay, this may take minimum 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours, 2 hours and 2 hours. Okay, now what about module 3 and 4? Okay, module 3 and 4 is more of this LOS problem and this unbiased die problem, coin tossing, and standard error, confidence limits, test of significance. This may take 3 hours again. And next is this central limit theorem. They'll ask it for sure, 100% sure short question. And next is normal distribution type of LOS problem, that is level of significance, and chi-square and t distribution. This will be 100%. This will be 100%. So this module also may take 3 hours for you. Okay, now you need to study for how you have to do in exams. Okay, now you have to understand the concept and just go and do. Okay, that is how about this fourth module. Okay, now what about this 3 hours, 3 hours. Okay, now if you see, this was module 2, this was module 5, this was 1 3 and 4. Okay, now if you take 3 6 9 10 11 12 13, if you sit for 13 hours, your all 5 modules is done. Now if you start at 12 12 30, also no need to worry, you can do it, but you need what you prepare it perfectly, so that there will be no confusion with what you have prepared. Now how you have to present the paper, I'll be saying. Now if they have given, see for example, I'll write this problem. Okay, they have given this k problem, right? That is 0 1 2 3. For they'll give here 1 or 0 0.1 0 0.2 0.3 and k here they have given. This is x and this is probability of x. Now what you need to do, first you have to write the given, what they have given values, then you have to write that 0 0.1 plus 0. You write finding value of k. Next you write it as 0 0.1 0 0.2 0.3 plus k is equal to 1, because sum of probability value will always be equal to 1, that is sum is equal to 1, and you write all that, add it. Okay, 0 0.6 plus k, you will get 1, k is equal to 1 minus 0 0.6. This all steps you need to write, you will get 0 0.4, and that is the value of k. Now next you write, therefore the value of k is 0 0.4. Next they'll give one sub question, find the value of k is less than x less than 2. That means the probability is less than 2. First write probability of x less than 2. Okay, what are the probability values that come under x less than 2? Okay, x less than 2 means 1 and 0. Now what you need to write, that is p of x is equal to 0 plus p of x is equal to 1. The value what you got here, that was 0.1 and 0.2, 0.1 and 0.2. If they have given here 2, you can subtract, that is 2k, and you can substitute this value and you will write the answer. Again sub question will be there. You need to just write it stepwise, so that the evaluator who is evaluating your paper also will be clear that what you have written. And stepwise, see, when you are substituting for some formula, you have something d as e plus x, f, and just don't write off d of something, e value is 5 and f value is 5, means just don't write as 10, you write this, then you write it as 5 plus 5, then you write it as 10. Okay, this is the valid step. See, now directly writing d is equal to 10, that doesn't give sense. Okay, because the evaluator who will be evaluating, they'll think that somewhere you have by hearted, or some thing you have by hearted and come this perfect question with numbers and all. So you need to do stepwise. And the derivations which you have, right, that is binomial and normal. Don't want normal, you study Poisson. Okay, Poisson, these both you need to study stepwise. This is sure short question in module 1. And what are the module 1 wise, I have said the questions, you study all without anything, you don't miss. Okay, I'll be again scrolling through all the questions. See, module 1, module 2. If you want module wise screenshots, you can take it. And next is module 3. Next is module 4. Last is module 5. This is one of the easiest of all modules. You can score 20 on 20. Okay. Okay. Now only passing marks is 36, means you have already scored 20, and 16 getting in the rest all modules is not that much difficult. So what I'm saying is your target should be 70 plus. Actually it should be 80 plus, but you keep it 70 plus and you will get 80. Okay, for sure you will get 80 if you study these questions, and don't skip any of these. If you have any doubts, or if you want the same PDF I have done with answers for all this what the topics I have done, if you want the same PDF, you DM me on Instagram, I'll be sharing it immediately. Now don't waste the time guys, and I'm wishing you all the best for all of your exams. May your maths exam go very well, and thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video, and after your tomorrow's exam, do let me know in the comment box or DM me that how was your exam, how was the questions, difficulty level or easy level and all. Okay, waiting for that, and bye bye.